This, the scene Sunday afternoon at the Forks in Winnipeg. Hundreds gathered, many without masks or physical distancing, in violation of public health orders, which capped outdoor public gatherings at 10 people, leading to questions about enforcement.
I agree that enforcement's a concern, and I agree very much that we need to step it up.
Winnipeg police did not hand out any tickets themselves. They say they were there to keep provincial public health officers safe.
Our job is ultimately to keep the peace, and we're not going to try and break up a 600-700 person rally, 1,000 person rally, where we could really potentially escalate a situation and cause far greater risk to the public than potentially unmasked people gathering. And we certainly realize that is in contravention of the public health order, but our role was multifaceted that day. As I said, partly to keep the peace, and we were supporting public health officers who my understanding, were giving out tickets.
The province refused to confirm how many tickets they gave out Sunday or how many may be coming. They say they'll be included in the aggregate weekly numbers Tuesday. The rally taking place on private Forks property. The ownership group says they've had rallies, vigils, and protests come through the site without permission, but when gatherings violate public health orders, they alert provincial and city regulators.
I just want to be clear that isn't something that would always be done if there's a protest or a rally on our site. It's only because of these public health guidelines that we made people aware.
The ownership group then shut down businesses in the market, which they own, to keep people safe.
They did make moves, some of them, to come over to the Forks market and made it quite clear that they were going to come into the market without masks on as a form of protest.
Mackay didn't comment on enforcement, but says they will be regrouping this week in anticipation of another rally. In Winnipeg, Stephanie Lasuk, City News.